2015, 16, 17, and 18. Air filter, cabin filter replacement. This is a fuse box. It's on a passenger side. So I taken off this screw already and take the cover out. So this is basically a filter. So there are two pipes which is on the way now to take the filter out easily. So pull that down and take it out. Alright, the filter is out now. This is a new filter. This is an old filter. This stuff taken out from 2017 Ford Transit Connect. It's very, very dirty in a year. Alright, this is the way to put it back. This filter. Alrighty. So this notch and these notches have to go in somehow, which I cannot see right here. All right, there you go. This went in, it is on a place, it is locked. So T20 screw need to be put it back. That's it. Manufacturer says it's a 17 minutes job, but it took me 2 hours to figure out how to take it out and put it back. I wasn't able to find any video, and this is the reason to make a video for other folks. They can get help from this video, and hopefully someone can enjoy it, whoever want to install it by themselves. So that's what it is. Have a good day, guys.